I went to a seminar a year ago in March. It was at Pierce Cedar Creek. It was their annual energy event. And I listened to a fellow give a talk about small-scale wind turbines, primarily for residential and small commercial operations. And at the end of the presentation, I thought to myself, I could do that. And that was in March. And so I came back and went through the process of getting approval from the university to do this because it's on the university property. And that went fairly smooth. Everybody was in favor and approved it. I mean, they asked questions along the way, but no really hurdles or anything there. And in May, we wrote the purchase order for the device. We started construction in June and finished in July. So the whole process only went basically from March, the idea was planted, to the end of July when we had completed construction. The first full day of operation was August 1st. So once I decided to do something and I lined up the resources and the approvals, it went pretty quickly. But to give you a little background, I've been involved in wind energy for quite a long time, since probably back in the 70s during the first environmental and energy crisis. But I really hadn't done anything significant. Participated in some events. And since relocating to Michigan 5 years ago, I've been involved in a number of state activities. There's the Wind Working Group and the State Wind Outreach Team and the Michigan Renewables Energy Program. I started a wind turbine manufacturing group about 3 years ago. And all those committees and activities are good because a lot of those develop policies, and we work in the manufacturing field. We work with companies interested in manufacturing wind turbine components, get them on board, help them make connections. But at the end of the day, you really hadn't done anything demonstratable. So by putting the wind turbine up, I could say, okay, I've actually done something. I'm generating clean, green electricity from the wind turbine. It's just one of those things that makes you feel good. When I decided to do it and I arranged for a contractor to work with, we do a site survey and say where would be a good place to locate the wind turbine. You want it to be open, exposed, not too close to buildings or trees, and so the site on 131 was an ideal site. A couple other things there. It's located near our billboard. It advertises the engineering campus, so the idea that people would drive down the freeway, see the billboard, see the turbine, and make that connection. It's also located near our Energy Resource Center, which is where all the power flows into this building, so we've got the energy connection there also. And then probably most importantly, it's located on Highway 131. There's 50,000 vehicles a day on average that go up and down that road, so we get a lot of exposure to it.